What's up, guys? More back here with another video, and so yeah, I had to take my Canon camera back. Well, I didn't have to, but the theory was, is that I could go ahead and keep the one that I had bought, but the problem was that when you buy it in your own state, if you buy it in any company that has a footprint in your particular state, you're going to pay taxes on it. And B&H has been really, really good to me, and so I wanted to support B&H. Not to mention, as a benefit of supporting a company that supports me, I also don't have to pay any tax on it. So instead of it being like $750, it's only going to be $700. So buying it from a local, big box store or whatever, it basically gave me the money and the opportunity to try the Canon M50 out. And now that I know all the juicy details of the brand new Canon EOS R, I have no desire to get it. The only reason I was even partially interested was for the video features, but with all the new revelations that have come out about the absolute shit show that is this new camera in video mode, I mean, honestly, save yourself the money. Save yourself the money and just buy the Canon EOS M50. If you do primarily video and you don't need critical autofocus in 4K, the M50 is an absolute steal, in my personal opinion. I think that it was a bit overpriced when it was $899, but for camera and kit lens, which isn't terrible in my opinion, for that amount of money, for $699, if you buy at B&H Photo, it's an absolute steal. So if you would, go ahead, and if you're interested in buying the camera anyway, go ahead and drop down into the description box down below. Pick up a copy for yourself. If you use my link, I get a kickback, and I appreciate that too. I'm supporting the camera company that's supporting me, and if you guys would please do the same, that would be really effing cool of you. It would make you like top notch in my book, and I like that. So, at any rate, guys, so there's probably not going to be any video like hardcore morning jolt video either today or tomorrow. I'm going to work on a couple of review videos that I have needed to get my button gear to finally finish and edit. So I'm going to get those done hopefully before the new copy of the Canon M50 shows up in a couple of days, and then I'll be right back at the morning jolt. So I apologize to all those that were hoping for it today, but it's just not going to happen. So at any rate, thanks so much for stopping here and hanging out with me yet again on the Photo Video Show. I'm your host, Mark Puck, and I'll see you guys again on the next one. Peace.